Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Tim Scoutless here, Max Digital. I want to shoot a quick video about Max Inventory, our mobile appraisal and inventory management tool. I get a lot of questions about how to use it, how to best access it. So give me a couple seconds. We're going to get it fired up here, get a chance for you guys to take a look. All right. So got it tied to the meeting here and start broadcast. Just in a second, you'll be able to see my phone. There you go. All right. So, right, Max Inventory. My good buddies at Reggie Jackson. Here we go. So, from the appraisal, that's the default view. Okay. Down here at the bottom, you'll see the blue appraisal icon lit. If you go all the way to the right where it says more, okay, you'll get our menu. You can toggle between dealers. You can view auction lists. We pull them in just like we see them in Max. You can manually book out a car. And then you can manage settings. So this is great for somebody who's a heavy user, either at the appraisal, at the store, you might want to make your default appraisal type a trade, or if you're at the auction, you'd set it as a purchase. How long do you want to retain the appraisals in your phone for? So it's a custom setting just for your phone. You can also have appraisal default values for estimated recon and target gross right on your mobile device. So you would just simply tap and you would add whatever amount you wanted to put in there, okay? Obviously, you could have a default salesperson. Don't recommend that, but if you're always working with the same person, great. Okay. Default appraiser, though, you might want to make that you, right? If I was an appraiser at the store, I would do that. So, and then obviously a default buyer, right? If you were doing purchases, you would have your name there as a default buyer. Okay. Enable search and sharing action. Don't know, new feature. I'll have to find out what that is. All right. So we're done with the settings. Okay. Go back to appraisal. You'll notice at the top, we have awaiting, trade, and purchase, just like you might see in the appraisal manager. Okay. And so let's toggle in and take a look. I'm going to go to one here at the bottom so we don't, we can slide right down and look at this. All right. This 2019 Honda Accord. Okay. So once we head into the appraisal, you'll notice, right, the risk light, 2019 Honda Accord with 34,000 miles. You'll see the VIN. And right away, you could toggle between the books, the vehicle history report, okay, or our cost to market market pricing tool, or you could simply scroll through, okay? If we had the window sticker, it would be right there, right? You'll see the mileage, so you could come in and edit the mileage. All of these fields can be edited, okay? Nice number keyboard pops up for you. We hit done, okay? Trim, color, type, obviously salesperson and appraiser, a spot for you to type in your notes, okay? JD Power is here. Mannheim, if you had Black Book would be an upcharge. You could see that here, okay? Update your conditions, your region, obviously, so on and so forth, okay? We've got your historical and your forecasted values there, and AAA. You log in, see your Carfax data, right? We've got our Carfax icons there, and then our cost to market, right? So we see 88 vehicles overall, 33 are matching, and you can come through and click on define competitive set. And now, just like in the desktop, okay, you can toggle, the distance from the store, okay, mileage, we would just drop and drag this right here, okay. Listings, obviously we could include or exclude plus or minus here. Just the same things that you can do on the desktop are all done here in this, defining of the competitive set, right? Obviously, now that we could put in our estimated recon target gross profit and our appraisal value, and it'll show you where you pop up, and then you can see your market listings. There's even a sort by feature here. You could sort your listings by mileage, internet price, or percent to market, distance, or age, just like you do in the desktop tool. All right. So I'm going to hit back. I'm gonna hit cancel, sorry, discard any changes, right? How you start an appraisal, right? We would hit the plus. We can scan or type, right? Or from the bottom tray, we hit scan, right? And we can see right here, right? We would go out there with the scanner, scan right away. Okay, got a little flashlight here too. If you can see that. And you can toggle over to a keyboard if you wanted to type in the VIN, okay? Now, one thing on the bottom, we move over to inventory. You can search your current inventory in the mobile device, okay? We also have a few filters here. So we can filter by age bucket if you wanted to include or exclude new or used, okay? And then we can sort by age or price, so on and so forth here. You know, I like if you just want to type in the stock number, that's your best bet right here at the top, okay? So here we are just looking at used vehicles, all right, showing the newest year, okay? Once you click in, okay, you'll see that you can view the inventory, right? We can take a look at the photos here, okay? We could add additional photos, okay? Or see this, or see the photos from the, looks like they only have one, okay? We can price the vehicle. So we're on our mobile device, just like you saw in the appraisal piece, okay? You've got your visibility into your pricing proof points, okay? We could add packages. So if you want to send somebody out there to ensure that all high value packages and equipment are added at the vehicle, you could do that, okay? And then obviously, if you're using us for window stickers, you could include or exclude any extra equipment, okay? All this stuff can be done at the mobile device. Pretty cool stuff. You know, one last piece I really like, we just added this. So from your home screen, if you press and hold your home screen to get the little wigglies, in the top left here, you see this plus, okay? Scroll all the way to the bottom. And you see max inventory. Add max inventory widget. Right here, look. I'm gonna like this big wide widget here. I'm gonna add the widget. And look, that adds the this big wide widget to your home screen. And now you can start an appraisal simply by hitting scan vehicle, or you could see how many appraisals are waiting. Love, love, love this feature. All right, so good stuff. If you got any questions, you can always hit me up. I'm going to share with you guys the QR code and links to download the mobile app either on your iPhone or Android device. All right. So Tim Scoutless coming to you live from the back lot, right? Got any questions to this up? Thanks.